True Believers here. He's going to quickly show you how to make a line animation on After Effects. First step, make a composition. The composition can be any size you want, but for today, we're going to make it 1920 to 1080, which is perfect for YouTube. Frame rate can be anything, but I think this is a good standard, about 30 frames, and it's going to be 20 seconds long. So first, make a layer, new layer, make a solid layer, just make it white. Now how to animate that line? Let me draw a couple of lines. Let's draw a line. But if you draw a line, you can't be in this solid. You have to come out. So you have to draw the line when you're not on the solid. Otherwise it creates a mask. So you create a line. Then you can edit it around here. You can change the size of the line. So the line is a size of 3. You can change it to 10. You can change that into a dotted line by adding dashes to it. There you go. So add a dash. You can add dashes to the lines like this. Alright. To animate it, you go into Content, Shape. You add a trim path. So what the trim path does is you can select how much of the line you want to appear on the line. So this is the keyframes along here. So this you can time it. So you do this. You click on Start Point. You can drag it till you want it to end the animation. So you want to end to 100% to appear it. And then what you do is you can play it, and then you can see it animates. As so, it animates all the way till it goes to there. You can change how much of it you want to animate. You can animate slow at first, and then it can go faster or whatever. You can make it go you can adjust it each time over the timeline. Also, if you want something like a bit of a whoosh effect, you can add this, and then you can so you can add sections of a time. So you can so if you want to animate in between, you can do that. You can add multiple lines. You can add a layer line on top of each other. For example, you could copy this layer, and then you can make this shift on top of it, and then you could put a different color on this line. So you can change this to red. You can make different you can change the colors on top of each other, and you can label them up. And yeah, here's some advanced tips. These advanced tips are people who know what they're doing, but they are really interesting to make a nice spark to your effects. So you see this line animation, right? Let's say you're finished with this line animation and you want to make a very cool 3D zoom, right? Cool thing you can do, if you put them in 3D view, right, you can add a layer, new. This is for pros, remember. So you can add a camera, you can add a null. All right, and then link the camera to the null. All right. And then you can make some very cool things happen. So you can make the position. You can change the position of the thing. And you can change the zoom. You can make it go that way. So you can change the scale. You can make the scale zoom inwards. You can make the scale go that way. Some different rotations. You can go here. You can rotate it that way. You can rotate it this way. You can do a load of things. This is crazy. This is too crazy. You would do less of this, but you can go wild with this. Now look at this. So now instead of making it flat, you can change the angle of the map. You can make it all sorts of things. So you can change the angle and the zoom, and it looks like very dynamic in comparison. So you can see it does all this moving as you can do. But just, be careful on this. Don't do too much of this, but just do some tweaks and you can make a really cool map.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment down below to tell us what you think. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can find out when the next video is. Twilight Sparkle out. See ya!